For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Ministry of External Affairs clarifies about standoff between India and China at Galwan Valley. MEA accuses China of acting in a premeditated manner and instigating violence against India.
Always within the Indian side of the LAC. We expect the Chinese side to also confine its activities to its side of the LAC.
MEA also stressed on maintaining peace and tranquility at border areas and resolution of differences through dialogue.
While we remain firmly convinced of the need for maintenance of peace and tranquility in the border areas and the resolution of differences through dialogue, at the same time, as Honorable PM stated yesterday, we are also strongly committed to ensuring India's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
MEA spokesperson reiterates earlier statement by the Indian Army that no Indian soldier is missing.
Earlier today afternoon that there are no Indian troops missing in action.
MEA claims that India and China are in regular talks with their ground commanders.
The two sides are in regular touch through their respective embassies and foreign offices. At the ground level, the two sides have maintained communication at the commanders level.
Amidst the standoff, India is strongly committed to protect their territorial integrity. India confirms participating in RIC, Russia-India-China Foreign Ministers meeting on June 23rd.
See, the Russia-India-China Foreign Ministers meeting is scheduled on 23rd June. Russia is the chair this year. Russia has called for a special session of the RIC meeting to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the victory in the Second World War over Nazism and creation of the United Nations. It will be the first meeting of the RIC foreign ministers which will be taking place through video conferencing. EM will be participating in this meeting. The agenda, as someone has asked, the three ministers are expected to discuss the current situation of the global pandemic and the challenges of global security, financial stability, and RIC cooperation in that context.
As per several reports, India has cautioned China against making exaggerated and unattainable claims at the Galwan Valley following the decision to end standoff by both the sides. Close to 20 Indian troops were killed in the clash with Indian soldiers on June 15th night. It was one of the deadliest conflicts between India and China in 45 years. As per media reports, China has not yet disclosed whether their forces have suffered any casualties.